In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing files from your desktop, documents, and pictures using Windows OneDrive. We've all been there, scrambling to locate that important document or precious photo we're sure we saved on our computer. Sometimes, files can seem to magically disappear or be inaccessible when you need them the most. Thankfully, OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service, can be a lifesaver in these situations. First things first, let's ensure OneDrive is set up on your PC. It's typically pre-installed on Windows 10 and 11, but if it's not, you can download it from the Microsoft website. Once you're sure it's installed, look for the cloud icon in your system tray, usually found at the bottom right corner of your desktop. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Once logged in, this will link your OneDrive storage directly to your system, thereby syncing your files. Now, let's check if your missing files were backed up to OneDrive. Open File Explorer, then look for OneDrive in the navigation pane on the left side. Clicking on it will show you folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. These are the directories OneDrive commonly backs up. Browse through these folders to see if your missing files are located there. A lot of the time, these files have been moved to OneDrive during sync processes without you even realizing it. If you still can't find your files, make sure that your OneDrive is actually set up to sync these specific folders. You can do this by right-clicking the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray, then select Settings. In the window that pops up, navigate to the Backup tab and click on Manage Backup. Here, you'll be able to select which folders to back up into OneDrive, ensuring your desktop, documents, and pictures are ticked. For those files that might have inadvertently been deleted, OneDrive offers an incredible feature that acts as a fail-safe, the OneDrive Recycle Bin. To access this, go to the OneDrive website and sign in if prompted. On the left side of the page, you'll find the Recycle Bin option. Any recently deleted files will appear here, and you can restore them by simply selecting the files you want and click on the Restore button. Finally, always be proactive. To prevent future issues, make sure OneDrive is continually set to back up your important folders, and get into the habit of checking that dreaded cloud sync periodically. This foresight not only grants peace of mind but also saves you from the distress of realizing an important file is nowhere to be found when you need it the most. Life's too short to lose files. Let technology work for you with these simple steps. Thank you for watching, and may your files always be found.